So let's take a look at the ES this morning. I'm just going to start with the micro. This is the day trading chart, and you can see on here, if I just get my pen, if it's going to work for me this morning. Yeah, we've just hit the 1618 extension. This is the leading diagonal to the upside for the next wave one. It would look better if it comes up to the 1764, and that lines up with the larger time frame charts better for the 38.2 larger 1-2 fib, and there is a possibility. We've had an hourly squeeze fire long this morning, so it's possible that we just push on up and make the pattern slightly less clear, but don't discount it at this point in time. So if I come over and just go to the daily chart here, and what we're looking at off the low that we saw last week here is an ABC up for a 1, the 2. Now, yesterday morning, this is where we were up here. It looks like the 3 came in just shy of that 123.6. 4 held where it needed to. We've now got an A, B, and this looks like a 1, 2, 3. We should get a 4, 5. 29.08 to 29.14. And then I'm looking for the wave 2 pullback before we finally launch up to the 3,000 plus area in the ES next. So still looking up in the ES in this subwave before we get a pullback.